Hi everyone, my name is Vladimir, and today I'm going to demonstrate the project that our team worked on during the hackathon, and it's called Happyville. This project is a decentralized marketplace for the secondary tire market, built on the Internet Computer Protocol. It leverages artificial intelligence to automatically access the condition of used tires through image analysis. This enables users to determine whether a tire is still suitable for resale or should be sent for recycling. I created some simple architecture diagram of how the application really works. So the application is generally works fully on chain. The front-end and back-end canister is working in the ICP network, and there are some API integrations like Pinato file storage is decentralized file storage, and for AI tire quality detection we used Gemini API, and Gemini is LLM from Google, which allows to analyze text and image data. And for the API for geolocation, we use OpenCage data API, and this request is made from backend canister, and it demonstrates the power of ICP blockchain because this feature uses HTTPS out calls, and yeah. So let's start with the demonstration of application itself. To demonstrate the application's functionality, I will use three accounts. The first one will be the service provider, which is able to sell and recycle the tires. The second one will be the simple user, who will register the first tire of the application and will give this tire to the first service provider. And the last user will be just also a simple user who will buy a tire from the marketplace. So let's begin from creating the service provider account. Initially we need to create internet identity. Let's do this together. Let's create a new internet identity for each new account. I also need to provide my password from the computer, but I've done it on my another screen. So yeah, we've done it, and now we will be redirected back. Here we need to complete information about our profile. We need to provide some profile image. Let's do this. Also our name, first provider name, and our city. Let's it be Zhytomyr. That's where I'm from. We can also do this automatically, but I will show this feature in next pages. And we also don't need to forget that this flag is important. If we are a service provider, we need to specify this. So okay, let's do this. We complete our profile information, and after that we have our first account. So we can also explore the application. Let's see what other pages there are. For instance, marketplace pages. This is the page where all available tires that the user can buy. This page will be contained this information. Also, service providers. This page just provides information about all service providers that there are in the application, and also profile page gives information about the current user. Let's create another account. So we created the service provider account, and off the record I created two new accounts. First new user one, just simple user, and the second new user. And also, just not to waste time, I created and registered some new tires. I will show this process just quickly right now. So how we can register a new tire in the system? We should navigate to the register tire page, and now we can see the creation form. Here we can provide all necessary information about tire. For instance, tire image. Let's choose this one. Brand. In my situation, this is Michelin. Also, we can provide the tire size, which will affect on the price. Tread depth, let's select 7 millimeters. Production year, let's select this one, and season. And based on the all provided properties, the price of the tire will be calculated automatically based on the simple form I built. Here is the formula. I created such a function which is called estimate price, and based on the size, age, and tread factor, also if there is discount, the price will be calculated automatically. So after that we are able to click on the add tire button and wait for some time. and we can see that this new tire is actually in our profile, so we are able to see this, and this is great. Now we are able to give this tires that we have to the service provider, and he will be able to sell it and send for the recycling. Let's find a service provider that meet our expectation. We can filter the service providers. For instance, we can select the city. We can fetch it automatically using HTTPS out calls, and my location, my city, will be received from the API based on the browser location. So this is the first provider that I created on the demo. Let's view his profile. I have actions like give tires. I can give him some of my tires. Let's it be Michelin. As you can see that this action worked successfully, and let's also give him a tire with random picture. It also worked, and this is wonderful. As you can see now that this service provider now has 2 tires, and let's return to his account in his browser, and it really worked as we expected, and this is very cool. So now we are able to actually analyze the tires that we have. We can view some tire, for instance that, and we can take advantage of our integration that we have in the system. As I said earlier, we have API integration with Gemini AI, and based on the information we provided and on the picture, it will help us to analyze whether the tire should be recycled or can be sold. Let's try the request, and we received the result that the image does not depict a tire. This is not a tire, and none of these provided parameters can be applied to the image. And this is actually the behavior we expected. And let's just recycle it as an example, but in generally we should just delete this spam tire. So let's do this, move to recycling, and this worked. As you can see now, we have a send for recycle flag, and if we will go to the marketplace page, this tire is not available anymore because it was recycled. And also the user received the 10% of the price for the cycle. Just need to wait a little bit. Let's return to the profile, and yeah, as you can see, we received $72 for the recycle of this random tire, but actually not a single user would really recycle this tire. Okay, that's great, but other tires are available to actually buy them, and I will show now the process of buying the tire. So as a user who wants to buy a tire, I need to have some balance. Initially I don't have any, so that's why just for the demo purposes I added button I love ACP, which allows users to get some balance. If we click on this button, we will receive $1,000. This is just for the demo purposes, and actually in the future we are planning to add donations and topping up balance using the crypto wallet. And after that we have a balance, but we don't have any tires and we want to buy one. That's why we can actually use the marketplace page, where we have various filters like brand, tire size, condition, price range, etc. Or we can actually find the service provider we are interested in our city, for instance, as we have done it previously. Yeah, we can approve the location access. Let's do this. Okay. Yeah, it worked, and we found another time this provider. Let's get back to his page and see his tires. As you can see that the tire that was sent for recycle is not available to buy, but we can buy this tire, and we just need to press this buy button. Also wait for some time, and as you can see, as this tire was deleted from the service provider's tires list, it means that that it is now in our profile, and this is actually great. We can also see that our balance was decreased, the amount of money, and we can see the transaction history, and also the service provider received his payment 50% of the tire. He received 50%, and the user who gave him this tire also received 50%, as we can see. So this is basically how our application should work. And thanks for your attention.